Here we go. Let's see. I can get logged in here. And then go to here. And then we'll see if my link works like that. All right, so we'll go like this. We're on chapter 5. Go down to 5.4. The explore. Go to that, please. All right. Let it load. All right. Here's a bunch of straws. I can turn them, I can move them, whatever. So I'm going to make some triangles out of them. Here's 6 and 7. And then I'm going to take this 10 and make a 6, 7, 10 triangle here. Look good? Mm-hmm. Here's a 2, 3, 4 that I'm going to make. Yeah, turn this a little bit. Turn it. Oop, too far. There. Look pretty good? Let's do a 2, 3, 10 triangle once. So let me move that 10 up there. So 2, and then 3, and then 10. That look good? No. Uh-oh. That's not a triangle. Is there any way I can reorder them to make a triangle there? No. Well, what about a 2, 3, 6 triangle? Why not? It's less than 10? What do you mean by that? What are you saying? I can't make a 2, 3, 6 triangle? 2 and 3 are shorter than 6. Yeah? This plus this is less than this. This plus this has to be greater than it to make a triangle. That's why the 2, 3, 4 worked, but not the 2, 3, 6 or 2, 3, 7 or the 2, 3, 10. None of those will work. Okay? So, if two sides are not congruent, then the larger side lies opposite the longer. Okay? So, if we have three angles here, the biggest angle is opposite the longest side, the second biggest angle is opposite the medium side, and the smallest angle is opposite the small side. That's pretty easy to understand, right? Common sense. The smaller the angle, the shorter the opposite side. Okay? So then, when we have a 10, 13, 12 triangle, which angle is the smallest here? A, B, or C? Which angle will be the smallest? B, opposite the 10. Okay? So, orders from smallest to largest. What's the smallest angle there? N. Hello. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh, joy. Yep, I'll I'll grab them. Yep. Oh, that's right. Shoot, I forgot about that one too. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think it's time we say no because we're at 27. Last year we were at 27 teams, so or we're at 27 now. Yeah, but Canton has one the same day. Send them to Canton. Just tell them to go that way because right now we're as full as I think we want to be. Yep. Yep. Bye. Okay. All right. So, what's the smallest angle on this one? And then M, and then P. Okay. What's the missing angle on this one? What's how big is angle K? Well, we can figure it out. Are you sure it's 68? Okay, I'll trust you. It's 68. Which side's the longest then? LM is the longest side because it's opposite the biggest angle. All right. So when you do sides of triangles, will these three make a triangle? No. The shorter two must add up to be longer than the longest. Okay? So this one's a no. Do the shorter two add up to be longer than the longest there? Yes. Now, when you're doing possible lengths, you have to subtract and then you have to add. Okay? Now, the shortest this could be is when you subtract these. What's 19 minus 16? 3. So the missing side, AC, has to be somewhere in between 3 and when we add these, what do we get? 35. So it has to be anywhere in between 3 and 35. It can't be 3 because it can't be the same as what you get when you subtract them. So it has to be bigger than 3 and smaller than 35. Okay? Bigger than 3 and smaller than 35. All right. So the triangle inequality theorem, if 5 plus 8 is bigger than 11, it works. 5 plus 11 is bigger than 8. That doesn't work so well. 8 plus 11 bigger than 5, but yeah, it'll work because the smallest two add up to be bigger than the biggest. Okay? So as long as the smallest two add up to be bigger than the biggest, and they try the other two too, but that doesn't make any sense. All right. So, can we do this? Okay? So the biggest thing, the hardest problem on there is remembering that you have to subtract and then you have to add to find the lengths of the sides. So we will take 2 quizzes next time and do 1 section next time, and then review for the test on Friday. So that's what's coming up in here.